Sorkar TV. Ka undi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Umindrang ba ka Jylla kontrak ke sangma haga khandai jeguna pra arajar phosan ulay thu ba Sorkar India kampat Pyllait satya shiki Jylla hapo akari yege Skhim Jal Jeevan mission haga jia karam bikilar psai kubor kontrak sangma ulong ba kumba shilak klur ke Pisa kadang sa pongding yega ba Sorkar India kampat Pyllait satya bat pensyairu ba Sorkar India ling ba kinhul menteri klap hale yega audit shuan Pyllait Pisa.
So the funds for JJM has been stopped at the central level for all state governments. So there is no fund being released to any state as of now. So not just Meghalaya, but the whole country. So maybe 1 lakh crore plus of bills are pending for different states. Now this is happening because of one simple fact that the JJM was a mission mode program, which was supposed to end in March 2024. And hence, in the cabinet, this decision was made, Government of India, cabinet decision was made. And therefore, automatically, since it was, when April came, JJM ceased to exist. Finance department did not have any provision to continue giving funds for JJM because it was supposed to close in March 2024. And hence, without a cabinet decision to revert or to change that decision of closing JJM by March 2024 had to be taken by cabinet, not by finance ministry, not by Jal Shakti ministry, but by the cabinet, which then took place in the month of November or December, where government said we will extend it further till the projects that are going on right now are concluded. So that gave the scope for finance department then to go ahead with the processing of the programs that were post or bills that came post March 2024. Now the problem in that happened again was that the cabinet also put a condition that there will be an audit that will be conducted for all the schemes that are being implemented throughout the country. And only once the audit is completed for all the schemes, only then the finance ministry, based on that, will then release the funds. So that audit is happening in some places. It's complete. And so once that is done, then finance ministry will start releasing the funds. So therefore, it's not in the state of Meghalaya alone. It is the whole country. But we do expect that things will be streamlined. The decisions have been made. The question is just the final implementation is going on of the audit that was mandated by the cabinet, Government of India, of the ongoing schemes.